Hello, dear learners. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. You know, for the long time we are taking class from narration. Today we also take a class from narration, and our today's topic is exceptional because this type of sentence do not take any rules. Though we are trying to, or we will try to understand, or we will try to manage, or we will try to realize or understand the sentence easily. So let's go start the sentence. Some exceptional sentence. Actually, some exceptional sentences. Number one, if any repeated speech start with two bar or double bar, that time only one bar is written in the second sentence, that means in the sentence. Okay, now we are going to example. Leave the officer commanded. This is a exceptional sentence of narration. How can we solve it? How can we solve it? Okay, look or follow me, my dear learners. Here, this is the repeating part. So now I can write the officer. The officer commanded. For leaving. Okay, my dear learners, I think you can understand. Here, double verb, leaving. In second stage, that means in Indian narration, we have to write one verb, and here we will write for. For this reason, we can write here living, because this is preposition. After preposition, any verb have to write with ing form. Okay. Now I am going to another. This is number one. This is number two. Okay. Help the passerby. Right out. That means he is one help. Here the expression of the sentence. Now you can write here the passerby tried out for help. Actually, help here the noun form. So after preposition, we cannot write here ing form. Or if we think that it is verb, that time we can write helping. Okay. If you think that it is verb, that time you have to write helping. Or if you think it is noun, that time you can write help. Okay. So now, my dear learners, I think you are clear about the sentences. Now I am going to another exceptional sentence. This is number two. Sometimes we take determine. We take determine. I have to tell it in Bangla. That means Allah kosam, Khudar kosam, Bhaier kosam, Maier kosam. Just the sentence. How can we use it in English? She said to me, by Allah, I love you. That means here he determined by Allah. Here he determined by Allah, or she promised by Allah that he loved me. Here the expression of this sentence, how can we solve it in indirect narration? If the reputed speech start with by Allah, by God, by Jah, or by my mother, by my father, or by my sister, this type of sentence, that time instead of said or say, we can write swear or sure. In past tense we can sure, in present tense we can swear. So we can write she swore by Allah that. We can write here that instead of comma and inverted comma. Okay? So she swore by Allah that here I is she. She swore by Allah that she loved me. The object of the sentence will not set here. Okay? So she swore by Allah that she loved me. Okay? And I can say another sentence here, write another sentence here, that is he said to me by mother, I will not pardon you. I will not pardon you. So how can I solve it? She swore by Allah, or another sentence, that is swearing by Allah, he told me. By this way we can write also. So but here I will write he swore by mother that I is the subject and his follower is he. So I will follow him. So he swore by mother that he would not pardon. Here you is the me, that means object. So here you have to write me. He swore by mother that he would not pardon me. Okay? Dear learners, I think you are clear about the sentences, and it's as it is so exceptional. If you think it clearly, that time it is easy to you, I think. So let's go to another sentence. This is number 3. Here the bravo. If the, okay, now I am telling you something, that is, if the reputed speech start with bravo, that time in indirect narration, instead of say or said, you have to write applaud or applauded, and instead of comma and inverted comma, you have to write saying that. Okay? And another rule is same to general narration. Okay, now we are going to they said to him, bravo, you have stood fast. Okay, dear learners. So as the sentence, that means repeatedly is started with bravo, so we have to write here applauded, as this is the past tense. Okay, they applauded him. Instead of comma and inverted comma, we have to write saying that. They applauded him, saying that you is him. Here you is the subject, and they said to him. Him means he. So he is you. That means they applauded him saying that the subjective form of him is he. He, as it is present perfect tense, it would be past perfect tense. So he had, he stood fast. Okay, my dear learners, I think you also clear about the sentence, and I think it is easy to you understand if you follow my lecture clearly. Okay, now I am going to another sentence, number 4. This is actually, if any repeated speech start with happy birthday, good morning, good night, goodbye, such type of sentence, that time we have to write instead of say wish. Okay, we have to write wish instead of say, and also the object of the object. Okay, object will be said, and the repeated speech will no sense, will be no sense, no change. Okay, now I am going to the example. He said to me, happy birthday. So how can we change the narration of the sentence? Okay, look at me or look at the whiteboard. He wished me happy birthday. Happy birthday. There is no that instead of comma and inverted comma. This is exceptional. Actually, this is exceptional. If we write here good morning, that time he wished me good morning. Okay, now I will write another sentence, that is, they said to him good night. Good night means nearer. If we take farewell in night, that time we say good night. So this is actually farewell. So now we can write here, they bade him good night. Dear learners, I think you are also clear about the sentence. This is the actually the exceptional type of sentence we are going to, or we are lecture today. Actually, I am going to another sentence. This is number 5. This is number 5. This is 5. This is 5. If the repeated speech start with 5, that time instead of say we have to write exclaim that, and instead of 5 you have to write it be shameful. It be means be here the auxiliary sign of auxiliary verb, am, is, or was, or have, has, had, or any other auxiliary verb we can write here. Okay, but maximum time we can write is or was. Okay, so let's go the example. He said to me, fine, you are a thief. Five means what I mean by five. Five means actually, I would say tell it in Bangla. Five means see or tiroshkar kora. Okay. মূলত মূল যে অর্থ সেটা হচ্ছে যে সি। আমরা এভাবে আমরা একজনকে শুধু নিক্ষেপ করি বা সি বলে তাকে অবমাননা করি, সেই শব্দটার ইংরেজিটা হচ্ছে যাই ফাই। ওকে, নাও we are going to the indirect narration of the sentence. Here we have to write instead of saying explain. He explained. Explain that object of the repeating speech will not say. He explained that, and it was shameful It was shameful that you are a thief. You means me. So me, subjective pronoun me is I. I was a thief. So dear learners, I think you are clear about the sentence. Here explain that means instead of say to, I have write here explain. Instead of five, I write here it was shameful. Okay, instead of comma inverted comma, I write here that, and the sentence is says according to general rules of narration. So I think you are clear about the sentence also. Now I am going to the final sentence of the exceptional sentence. Okay, that is, sometimes we say someone thank you, I thank you, or another word. How can we change this type of sentence in narration? Suppose he said to the customer, thank you. How can we change? If the repeated speech started with thank you, that time you have to write the first time the subject of the repeating speech. Then according instead of said to or said or say, you have to write the thank, and then you have to write the object of the repeating speech. Okay. Now I can write he thanked the customer. Okay, my dear learners, I think this is actually very easy if you understand. If you don't understand and if you don't attending to my class, that times it will be very difficult to you. So I think I will hope you will be follow my lecture and also ask me the question, how can I take a more easy class for you. Thank you staying with us, and thank you keep seeing our online class. Thank you everybody. Allah Hafiz.